In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another website to your Hostgator baby plan. This process is straightforward and should be a breeze, even if you're new to web hosting. Let's dive right in and set up your next online presence effortlessly. To start, you will need to open your web browser and navigate to Hostgator's homepage. You can do this by typing Hostgator into your search engine or entering www.hostgator.com directly in the address bar. Once you reach the homepage, you'll see the vibrant and familiar interface that welcomes you. Now locate the sign in button, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will bring you to the login section. Enter your account details, the email address and password you used when you initially created your Hostgator account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. This area is the control center for managing all the aspects of your hosting account. From here, look for a section titled My Account or similar terminology, and within there spot the link that says Hosting. Clicking on this will bring you to a more detailed page about your hosting plans. Here you will see all the hosting plans you are subscribed to, including your baby plan. Now direct your attention to the sidebar or navigation menu to find an option that says Website. Select this option. You should now be in the section where your current websites are listed. It's a neat overview of everything you've got hosted so far. Here comes the fun part where you add your new website. Look for a button that says ADD Site. It should be prominently displayed either at the top or somewhere within that section. Upon clicking ADD Site, you will be prompted to fill in details for your new website. This typically includes giving your site a name and specifying the domain you want to associate with it. Make sure the details you enter are correct, as these will form the main identity of your new website. With everything filled out and double checked for accuracy, click Add Site to confirm. Hostgator will now process your request. This may take a moment, so be patient. Once done, you will receive a confirmation and your site will be listed along with the others on your dashboard. You've successfully added another website to your Hostgator baby plan. And that's it. Keep in mind that if something doesn't appear right, you can always reach out to Hostgator's support for help or revisit these steps to see if anything was missed. Thank you for watching and enjoy managing your expanded web presence with Hostgator. See you in the next tutorial.